everyone! I'm Lis Ann from the Shelbyville-Bedford County Public Library. Every Friday, I'm sharing with you some awesome facts about outer space to celebrate this year's summer reading program, A Universe of Stories. At the very end, there will be a special trivia question. If you know the answer, come tell us at the library and we'll give you a prize. Last week's question was, which is hotter, lightning or the sun? The correct answer is lightning. Lightning can reach temperatures of over 53,000 degrees Fahrenheit, while the sun's surface temperature is only around 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 5 times hotter. Speaking of heat, have you heard about the International Space Station? Also known as the ISS, the International Space Station is a microgravity and space environment research laboratory floating in low Earth orbit. Since it's in between the sun's blazing heat and the deep freeze of space, thermal controls are vital for regulating temperatures on the station. That's right, there are people living in space right now and have been since the year 2000. As a matter of fact, the first crew launched on Halloween that year. The ISS is an international project with 16 countries total taking part in its construction and function. In completion, it spans roughly the size of a full soccer field. It is the largest manned project sent to space thus far, with 3 to 6 crew members from various countries on board at all times. Remember last week when I told you Venus is the second brightest object in the sky? The ISS comes in third, and you can even see it for yourself. See what time the ISS is flying through your area by going to the spotthestation.nasa.gov website. So, how does one get up to the ISS? By spaceship, of course. On average, it takes 2 days in Earth's orbit to line up with the station for docking. However, it has been done in as little as 6 hours. Returning from the space station is easier, I suppose, if you have the stomach for it. Up to 3 crew members squeeze into a little capsule called the Soyuz. The Soyuz then separates from the station and begins a deorbit burn to help launch the spacecraft back into the Earth's atmosphere. That's where the real science comes in. The atmosphere serves as a natural brake for the Soyuz before parachutes are released to aid in a soft landing. This part must be calculated perfectly, or else it could determine a rough landing or even an accidental bounce back into space. After returning from his year in space, astronaut Scott Kelly described the ride as going over Niagara Falls in a barrel, but you're on fire. Most fun you've had in your life. You can also watch these missions live on NASA TV. I highly recommend it. Today's trivia question asks, what color spacesuit is used for walks outside the International Space Station? You know the drill. The staff at the library is just waiting to give you a prize for knowing the answer. So come show the librarians what you know. I'll be back next week. See you there.